Magandang hapon mga kapatid, ako si Von Belinario at para sa News 5 Now, narito tayo sa Samsung Performing Arts Theater para makita yung mga pasilip at aabangan dito nga sa bagong musical play na Come From Away. Tungkol dito sa pagkupkop ng isang town sa Canada sa halos 7,000 stranded passengers nang ma-divert ang mga international craft sa Gander International Airport matapos ang September 11 attacks.
There and run my radar. And if they're speeding, I'll stop them and write down a warning ticket. All right, STFD. Slow the fuck down.
Welcome to the land where the winter's try to kill us and we said we will not be killed.
Ibinahagi ng isa sa mga cast members na si Gian Magdangal na makaka-relate ang mga Pinoy sa bagong musical play na ito.
About the show is that the Ganderites really remind us that we don't live in a bubble. We don't live in a bubble. We don't have our own world only and just think about everything that's in our own life only and be selfish about it. There are a lot of people outside, and especially when you do theater, for example, like this. Maraming tao nanonood sa labas na hindi pa nila alam kung ano yung theater. Hindi nila alam yung musical theater, hindi nila alam yung kakanta tapos sasayaw, kakanta, aarte. Hindi pa nila alam yung mga ganito minsan. And this is a perfect way to be able to showcase our craft or the thing that we love the most to the Filipinos. When we streamed something before, that was one of those comments that I saw when they streamed this musical that we showed on YouTube na may mga Pilipino na nagsasabi na taga Cotabato or something na, uy, kumakanta sila tapos bigla na lang umaarte. Hindi nila alam yun. And I think to show a musical that shows kindness and to be able to, show this kind of story of people away from Newfoundland, the people definitely be able to, any Filipino will be able to relate to it. We're hoping that we can bring them to this world.
Witness a story that needs to be told here, also in the Philippines. Come From Away Manila, brought to you by GMG. And watch this amazing cast, and stages as well. Watch this amazing cast, tell the story, and then you get your tickets at Ticket World. Will be starting this Friday, June 6. Yes, so inviting everyone, mga Pinoy, hindi Pinoy, I hope you could watch.
O di ba mga kapatid, talagang pasabog at talagang aabangan itong Come From Away Manila na magsisimula na yung mga show sa lahat ng weekends between June 6 hanggang June 29 dito lang sa Samsung Performing Arts Theater.